Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete a story on Emo. First of all, you can open the Emo application. I can already open the app, and in the top of the screen, you can see the option My Story. You can now tap on it, and here you can see your story. So you can see the very last option at the bottom right corner of the screen, that is delete. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on yes to confirm to delete your story. And after this, the story is deleted on Emo, and it is a way you can delete story on Emo. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.